welcome to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to draw a 10-head fashion figure. Let's begin by drawing a straight line and dividing it into 10 equal parts with 1 inch interval in between. The first head is for the face of the figure. Then I draw the neck. The neck covers 1/3 of the second head, roughly around 1 centimeter. Then I draw 2 slanting lines for the shoulder. You can also draw a straight line through the center of the second head and connect the slanting lines to it to make it easier. Third headline is where the waistline is. This is the smallest part of the body, so an ideal waistline is shorter than the shoulder line. The fourth headline is where the hip line is. This is the widest part of the body. It is mostly drawn the same length as the shoulder line. For the arm, the elbow lies at the third headline. Continue the arm till the fourth headline to the wrist of the figure. For the lower body, 2 points are marked near the sixth headline to locate the knees of the figure. Halfway through the fifth head is where the crotch is, so the thigh is drawn from the crotch point and ends at the knee point. The other thigh is also drawn in a similar way. Now mark 2 points above the knee point. From there, make a diamond through the seventh headline. This being the widest part is where the calf of the figure is. Then mark 2 points near the ninth headline. This is where the ankle of the figure is. Connect the lines to complete the diamond. Lastly, draw a triangle till the 10th headline where the feet of the figure is. The block figure of the 10 head is now complete. Now to convert it into a fleshy figure, curve and smoothen all the sharp edges. Then I am erasing all the traces of the block figure. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.